Previously on episode 1.
Every main character needs a cute wardrobe for summer. My problem is I'm very indecisive and can't stick to a style. Inspo for my style is basically music. The vibe and theme I'm going for this summer is cassette tape summer. Basically nostalgia, retro. My style is going to be a mix of Americana, excuse my 70s hippies because the 80s, of course. I want to give 80s cap counselor 90s whimsy golf because I love me a bill sleep. Spoke from H2O because that's just the best seller.
This is Ashanti. She wants to live life as the main character in a coming-of-age movie. She's building her story, one playlist and Pinterest board at a time. So welcome to episode 2 of Romanticizing My Life as an Introvert.
Last episode we talked about my journey summer wardrobe and the inspo behind it. I also showed y'all my Pinterest board which wasn't finished, and to update y'all on that, it still isn't finished.
She says still not finished, like we're supposed to be surprised.
But summer's around the corner.
Summer is not around the corner. It's literally at the door.
And it's time to get into the DIY for my summer wardrobe. First DIY is capris. I think capris are cute and vintage, so I'm upcycling this black pair of pants and these denim jeans. To make a denim pair and a black pair. For the denim pair, I'm thinking Americana in early 2000s. I'm thinking of adding glitter stars, maybe some butterflies, definitely rhinestones, and probably on a rhinestone some stars. Definitely red, white, and blue for the Americana vibe. And yeah, for the black pair, I'm gonna just crop them and with the rest of the fabric do like a simple ruffle design at the bottom and probably add some black lace at the bottom as well. So just like a simple vintage design. So let's get to it.
She's been at the ironing station so long, you'd think she's negotiating world peace with these patches. One's giving it a half-hearted try, but the other, nope, it bounced like it heard DIY and ran for the hills.
3 hours later.
She managed to get one patch to stay. Miracles do happen. She ghosted the camera for this DIY. Either it was too hard or too embarrassing. We may never know.
Okay, for this next DIY, I want to make a simple pair of jorts using these black jeans. I'm still deciding if I want to add star patches to them or not. But for now, I'm gonna just leave them plain.
A simple DIY she can't mess up. Scratch that. Those cutting skills say otherwise.
So there's this brand called 6 Dimension, and they sell like a bunch of cute, unique stuff. I would say it's like grungy, onesie wall, eclectic. I haven't looked at the site though, but I see them all over Pinterest. And there's one shirt I've seen that I want to recreate, and also another shirt that I want to combine the two designs together to recreate. And this is the shirt I'm upcycling. I pretty much don't wear this. I will be cutting the sleeves off to make them shorter. So let's get into that DIY.
That's a wrap, but the story's far from over.